Tears and tributes as veteran gospel filmmaker Baba GBENRO laid to rest in Ogbomoso. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Ogbomoso, Oyo State. Emotions ran high as friends, family, and well-wishers gathered to bid farewell to veteran gospel filmmaker and actor, Moses R., popularly known as Baba GBENRO. The solemn ceremony, held in Ogbomoso, was filled with heartfelt tributes, prayers, and testimonies about his impactful life and career. Baba GBENRO was widely recognized for his contributions to Christian cinema, using his talent to spread the gospel and inspire audiences across Nigeria and beyond. Colleagues from the gospel film industry, church leaders, and devoted fans described him as a humble, dedicated, and God-fearing man whose legacy will live on. Mourners could not hold back tears as his remains were laid to rest, with many recalling his powerful performances and the deep messages embedded in his films. His works touched countless lives, bringing both entertainment and spiritual enlightenment. As the Christian community and Nollywood mourn this great loss, his family has expressed gratitude for the overwhelming support and prayers received from the public. They urge everyone to continue upholding Baba GBENRO's vision of spreading the gospel through film. For more updates and exclusive coverage of events like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay informed.